Hello, good day. My name is Grace, and I get some oracle reading, angel, and tarot reading. And I got ready. We start some reading today, and today is Friday on the 4/10, 2024. Okay, I'll start reading for my spirit guide from the highest light of the universe to work with me and through me to deliver the messages for the highest and greatest good. And all my angel and seven archangel, all spirit guide, and sister and friend come and join me and protect me while I'm reading this three card. Okay, so guys, I'll start. And I got some card today is vulnerability and freedom. And the second card is answer your call when they calling you. And the final advice is the Empress. So let me go and try to read it. To answer this, what kind of freedom you got, or vulnerability of the star. So guys, this card is the wishing you star. And the angel tell me that's boost your confidence. And the angel is with you and give you a chance to find a strength and encourage you to take some time today to connect with yourself and your love and admire. So this beautiful angel is very sensitivity and but a gift. And you are emotionally connected your soul and positive way. So take some time now to treat yourself and will allow the world value you. And then this star is very powerful. Okay, so the message as well is not always easy. And this card is to put yourself out there, and you are being encouraged to do so now. So guys, and shield and barrier that you have put up and the wall and preventing the world from seeing your light. So you need to check your light. Your angel guide is reminding you that you don't need to protect yourself as God can do for you. Wow, this is beautiful reading. And the angel said, wherever you fell vulnerability is or unsafe, um, will want to kick in or call the light of God and surrender your need to protect yourself. And when you give angel permission to come in and help you, they will guide you toward your freedoms, joy, and your highest good. So this angel is with you all the time. So reach on the sky. Can you see that? Reach on the sky. So trust your process, trust the God, and will protect you wherever your problem is. Okay, your fly wings. There's so beautiful angel with you. Okay, what's the next one is um answer the caller. So you are being chosen, your soul calling you to do. So guys, what can I see? You're looking forward to see the heaven and using for the answer the call, whatever is spiritual. So you've been your guide is divinely guide. You have been guide. Okay, guys, you are being called to answer the call of your soul. So it's not scary. It might be scary, but not scary. So might not make sense. So what is you think? But you need to trust your soul, and you will live beyond what in your mind, imagine. You can imagine, and to know, you already know what you long for, what you're looking for. So what your soul is calling now? What is your soul calling now? So you need to activate your light. You see that light there? Can you see it? You don't overthink. So this card is saying that don't wait for mission. Is yes, whatever you do, yes. And before you step, before you first step, use your intuition. Doesn't work like that, but it's faith and courage you need. Okay, guys. And the answer of your call is faith and courage. So but you're not most um people don't do it. Okay, so you're exactly the right place to answer your calling now. So whole plan, you don't even need to know where it's leading. Okay, where it's leading. So you need to take next step and complete the perfect plan in your soul. So no need to destination, and do not need permission, okay, from anyone else. Sometimes the more resistance you have around answering a soul calling is more important is to our growth and soul. So you need to mature and growth, and you don't need to find your calling to where you're going. You know destination. Just go on the process. Go and follow your soul and spiritual. You're looking forward. This is really moon and purity and growth your soul. So you got lots of shining light there and beautiful. Okay, what's the next? So you follow your answer the call from your heart. Yeah, you're shining in the light. Okay, so what is this one? Is the answer is the so the tarot is the Empress. The Empress is everything, good luck, abundance, and prosperity. So if you're planning to get pregnant in a relationship, it will be yes. Okay, money coming, business coming, and shine. But this is the time of October. Start on the lucky and good luck. So this time is you got protection here from your heart, and the angel protecting you wherever you do. So you got septic day and most powerful thing, and you got shining. You're the Empress. You do what you want to do, and whatever you plan. If you in the relationship you do want to be happy, go happy. If you in the a problem, solve it. You are the Empress. So people works for you, and you need to decide on whatever you want to do, business planning, anything. So you can meet your relationship. You can meet your admirer coming on the way. Okay, so the advice is you follow your heart, your calling, and your angel. Even you reach the star, if you got freedom, your angel is there with you. So this beautiful three card is so today is answer your call spirit guide, and also beautiful and guiding your spirit and your spirit grows matured your human body and the spiritual inside you meant to um, beautiful in and outside. So this one is so beautiful, abundant and prosperity, long health and good health, anything that you abandon abundantly. So this card is powerful. So guys, this is like in the time of um Leo, I think, or Cancer, between Cancer and Leo. So powerful. So the Empress. So you're shining, and good news is coming on the way. So anything that say this and um, go ahead. The answer is yes. Okay, guys. So thank you for like likes my video, and thank you for watching. So follow your freedom and reach the sky, and do business abundant and good health and blessing, and you're the Empress. Powerful, yes, yes, yes. So you go your growth, and you answer the call for the spiritual. The angel is will God is be with you. Always do you don't need to do anything. The God is always with you. So this is positive and good luck. Okay, thank you for listening, and I love you guys. Thank you. Bye. I love you. Mwah.